In this video, I'll be showing you how to delete all my Google activity. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very easy to go ahead and do this. Now, deleting your entire Google activity history removes your past searches and YouTube watch trails, location logs, and app usage data across any connected devices you have. So the first thing you want to do is go over to myactivity.google.com, and you can do this on any device. Just ensure that you're logged into your primary Google profile. Look at the left vertical sidebar and click on the delete activity button. So you're going to see delete activity by, and then you're going to see a lot of options like last hour, last day, always, or custom range. So I can select a custom range. So let's say I want to delete something. I can delete last hour. It's going to say deleting now on the bottom, and it's going to delete everything. And yeah, it's as simple as that. There's nothing else to it. And like I said, you can do this on literally anything you're using, whether you're on a PC, laptop, or a phone, like an Android or iPhone, anything like that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and check out our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.